Good morning. It's January 21st. We are leaving Quartzsite today, heading down towards the Kofa Wildlife Refuge. We're going to be camping just a little bit north of it in the Kofa View BLM camping area. But first, we have to dump and fill and empty our trash. And then it's only 9 miles down the road, so it won't be far away. Solid now, huh?
Comes out now, burning frickin' Neffenberg.
This campfire ring was filled with beer cans. This is the kind of behavior that gets our BLM lands shut down. Come on, people, pick up after yourself.
Yep. I hear you, coyotes. I can see them on the camera. Yep. The dogs keep moving me around. It's so jittery. Yep, there he goes behind the bush. He's a traveling. Today is January, I want to say 27th. I'll have to look for sure. It is Wednesday, I can tell you that for sure, because I didn't want to travel on Thursday when I have a live feed to do in the evening. So right now we're just traveling down the road towards Yuma. It's 50 degrees outside. It was pretty cold last night. It was 37 according to the Weather Channel. I had some frost on the top cap of my Airstream, so I'll put a picture of that in there too. Left the proving grounds after we pass those big guns, and we'll soon be heading into the farming district, so the scenery will change considerably once we get up to this farmland. It's really quite a pretty drive. It's the beginning of the farmland left. Looks like we've already harvested a crop there. right-hand side. Okay, so now we're going to be jumping onto Interstate 8. That will take us over to Pilot Knob. We're going to be going through the border station checkpoint up here. California, if you have produce, you're supposed to let them know, but fortunately for me, I have nothing at this time. That's all there was to that. And I believe this is the exit that we take right up here. Get down, baby. Get over there. Oh, you're driving me crazy. Get over there and lay down. You're too hot. Get over there. We're almost there. Go lay down. Go lay down. I got a dog at my foot. So here we are. Right past this gas station is Pilot Knob. Road going in is a little rough. little Miss Dorothy. And over here is Kevin and Don. And then right around from them is Debbie and Ted. We've been sitting over here talking and enjoying snacks, laughing, having fun. I love Pilot Knob. This is just such, I don't know, an incredibly relaxing location. And just look at the sunset. Some of the best sunset pictures I had last year were right here at Pilot Knob.